will not hit you.
Wait till it's really windy.
Wait.
Yeah, wait.
It's windy. It's windy, nigga.
No, not that windy. It has
Not
to be
windy anymore.
Like, it has to be like model windy. Like, like oh shit.
It's not gonna work because that plate is dirty.
Do not doubt Mother Nature. Come on, girl. We need your help, Shawty. Hey. She?
Where do you see a girl?
Mother Nature, nigga.
I'm tired of holding this. It's not happening.
Hold on, wait. Here she comes. Here she blows.
She can fill her.
Yeah. That spot right there. Oh my gosh.
I don't even know if the camera's on you right now because I'm zoned out.
Sarah. Plie. For real, Sarah.
What?
Here she
Pause
comes.
it and then redo it again.
Are you ready? Ready? 1, 2.